Quick check. How's your posture right now? Shoulders rounded, head jutting forward, back curved. You're not alone. Most of us slip into these habits without realizing it, until discomfort sets in. This isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. Why does posture matter? Gravity. When you're aligned, your skeleton supports you, and your muscles can relax. But slouch, and your muscles work overtime, just to keep you upright. Imagine holding a bowling ball close, versus at arm's length. Your head is that bowling ball. For every inch your head moves forward, it adds about 10 pounds of pressure on your spine. Over time, this strain leads to tired, tight muscles and chronic aches. Good posture isn't about looking perfect, it's about letting your body work efficiently. It's the difference between constant struggle and effortless support. Your body was designed for movement, not for holding you up against gravity all day. Awareness is the first step to change. Start noticing your posture. Your body will thank you. Let's see how bad posture really affects you. Slouching isn't just uncomfortable, it has real consequences. It starts with pain, neck aches, back tightness, tension headaches. Overworked muscles get inflamed and develop knots. Poor posture drains your energy, making you feel tired even if you haven't done much. Your body wastes energy fighting gravity instead of fueling your day. Posture even affects your mood and confidence. Standing tall signals strength, while slumping can make you feel defeated. Research shows upright posture can boost your mood and self-esteem. Long-term bad posture wears down your joints and discs, leading to arthritis or chronic pain. It can even restrict your breathing, reducing oxygen and making you feel more fatigued. These aren't minor issues. They impact your health every day. The way you carry yourself shapes how you feel, think, and move. But why is it so hard to maintain good posture? Let's look at what's working against us. Our bodies were built for movement, not for sitting at desks or staring at screens all day. Desk jobs and technology have made slouching the new normal. Hours hunched over keyboards or looking down at phones create text neck, a recipe for pain. Even our furniture, deep couches, car seats, encourages poor posture. Instead of moving, we binge-watch shows, often twisted on the sofa. These habits reshape our bodies. Active muscles weaken, tight ones get tighter. Your body adapts to whatever position you hold most. Slouch long enough, and it becomes your default. Connective tissues tighten, making it hard to stand tall. The good news? Your body can adapt back. With small, consistent changes, you can retrain your posture. It's not about being perfect, it's about making better choices, one day at a time. Ready for some practical fixes? Let's get practical. Here are 5 hacks to improve your posture right now. Hack 1. Wall Angel. Stand with your back, head, and butt against a wall. Raise your arms like making a snow angel, keeping elbows and hands touching the wall. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat a few times daily. Hack 2. Set a posture alarm. Use your phone to remind you every 30-45 minutes to check your posture. Sit or stand tall. Pull your shoulders back and align your ears over your shoulders. Hack 3. Bring tech to eye level. Raise your laptop or phone so you're not looking down. Use a stand or stack of books for your screen and hold your phone up to eye level. Hack 4. Chin tuck. Sit up straight, look ahead, and gently pull your chin back to make a double chin. Hold for a few seconds. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Hack 5. Move more. Don't stay in one position for too long. Stand up, stretch, or walk around every hour. These small changes add up. You don't need fancy equipment, just awareness and consistency. The goal isn't to be rigid, but to move and reset often. Each hack helps reverse the effects of slouching and builds better habits. Try one today. Your body will notice the difference. Remember, progress beats perfection. Even a few seconds of good posture can make a big impact over time. Make these hacks part of your daily routine. Your muscles and joints will thank you. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Let's talk about why these small steps matter for your future. Your future self is counting on you. You've got the knowledge. Now it's time for action. Pick one hack and start today. Set a posture alarm, do a wall angel, or just notice how you're sitting. Every small effort is an investment in your future health. The body you'll have in 10 years is built by the habits you start now. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Each time you correct your posture, you're retraining your body and brain. Celebrate small wins and be patient with yourself. Stand up, stretch, roll your shoulders back, and take a deep breath. That feeling of openness and energy, that's your natural state. Don't wait for pain to force you to change. Start building a healthier future today. Your body will thank you.